Lyricism is a craft. Leave the gimmicks to the half-hearts who can only walk the beaten path and rock the stereotypical mask. They stole our swag, pimped us out, called it mainstream, and we said bun it. The only stream we feel is the one that flows from our current. We were the genius, wide-eyed, trying to fraternize with the gatekeepers to the mansion. And every time we got too black, no exposure was the sanction. He couldn't resist the rhythm, stayed making pee from our riggers, saying, please continue to create like gods, just so long as you spit like niggas. But we're them perverted revolutionaries. Don't let us in the door, we kick it down. Seal the roof, we smash through the ceiling. And now we've become wise enough to construct our own buildings. Their mansion is a minor, to their industry we don't aspire. Now London's burning car, we ignite the UK fire. So spit high caliber MC, rapper, bring the spoken word poet. Vocalists construct those melodies of resonant frequencies and send it out to the world. If Omawale Malcolm was a poet, we are the means necessary. Carrying Yah Santa was bullets on the winds of our words. If Messiah was music, we are the whirlwind and the storm. Be black as you wanna be, this is your platform. Like how the Most High created the world, it's recognized as the first gift. Got Kush TV, we bring you Wordsmith.
Brothers and sisters, I'm going to ask for your undivided attention, please, as we get into the Q&A. Before I go any further, I do want to formally introduce our translator. He goes by the name of Brother Mario Goose. He is from the powerful, historic African nation of Haiti, and he is the founder of an organization called Jacques I, which is named after the first emperor of the nation of Haiti, the man who brought Haiti to its revolutionary fruition, kings and queens, Baba Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Can we give please a big hand for Mario Goose? Thank you very much. We had a little bit less work to do than we anticipated, because Brother Kevin spoke in English for a significant amount of time, but we give thanks. And I do want to say thank you to the brothers and sisters in the hall for your patience with each other in terms of the language situation, because we know translation can be arduous and take time, but you've been very patient, and we appreciate that. And it's that kind of patience, kings and queens, that we're going to need to be able to free Africa and liberate each other. I'm going to ask you to raise your hands in just a minute, but I do want to correct some mistakes that I made earlier. Sorry, let me just reintroduce myself for those who weren't here at the beginning. My name is Shakara. Greetings, brothers and sisters. I am a member of Got Kush TV, the UK's #1 conscious revolutionary black media platform, and I'm also a born and raised member of the Al-Kebulan revivalist movement. I'm going to greet you as I greeted everybody earlier with these words in the Shona language of Zimbabwe. Please repeat after me. Tendai Mwali. Simply means be thankful unto the Most High, Mother, Father, Creator of the universe, kings and queens. And I want to correct some things mistakes that I made earlier when I was hailing up the organizations. Brother Obiang, I beg your forgiveness because I overlooked you. But in the book, the Handbook of Revolutionary Warfare, Nkrumah said that we need to create the All African People's Revolutionary Party, and people like Baba Kwame Ture were instrumental in seeing that vision become a reality. And we have a brother in the audience who is a member of the All African People's Revolutionary Party. He goes by the name of Zan, Brother Obiang Zan. Please stand, brother. The people are still have to do that. Also, Brother Atta, please stand. Brother Atta, please stand. Let me people see you, man. Come. From Focus Africa. Yeah, give me a big round of applause. Check that out, Focus Africa. Alright. And finally, Kings of Peace, I held up the eldest person in the room. The eldest person in the room, which is Mama Lindy. And during the message, I was going to hear the youngest person in the room. The youngest person in the room at that time is no longer the youngest person in the room. But I do want to big up all people that have brought their children. It's very important that we bring our children to the tables, yeah? And I believe the youngest in the room is in the lap of our sister over here. Please raise that plate. Yeah? that's a him, right? Him, right? When I was his age, my father was bringing me to occasions like this. And I had to listen, even at that age. Yeah? And give a report afterwards about what was heard. But I'm blessed today, kings and queens, because before our prince came in the room, my prince was actually the youngest person in the room, yeah? He's being held over here by my queen, Nahanda, and this is my son, yeah? And my son, Kundisai, yeah? So Brother Kemi was talking about producing soldiers. See one, Nessa? Yeah. Because I don't have children for no reason, kings and queens. Our children we meet have fight for the liberation of African people. If it's not that, I don't want no children. Yeah. You follow me? Sir, so our sister here first. Yeah?
Hello. Hello, my name's Charlene. I'm from the DRC Congo. My question is more of how or what you think about the current situation and how we mobilize Congolese diaspora as well as the people in the motherland, because my belief is that Congo is the worst of the bunch, and they're more behind and lost than all the 56 countries. So how do we mobilize them? Because even for myself, I struggle not only with being a Pan-African, but also with the fact that if you're a Pan-African, it's very much frowned upon by Congolese than any other African nation.
Interesting question. We're going to take two at a time. So, Brother Nsang, we're going to come to you after Brother Kemi responds, yeah? Go ahead.
Good evening. Good evening. My name's Africa. My question is, how will we make progress while being watchful without paranoia and false suspicion against the innocent who question and critique those leaders whom we must still hold accountable if they fall into error or are discovered to make mistakes about things?
Sorry, brother, you have to repeat that question. Yeah, come again.
Essentially, I'm asking, how do we watch, obviously, for enemies amongst us without making, without being over suspicious, but at the same time being able to hold our leaders accountable? That's basically right.
You got a question? So
I will answer quickly.
Okay, thank you.
I will first verify the hand because I don't respect the law. Tu as posé une question très importante, mon frère.
You asked a very important question, my brother.
Il y a un juste milieu entre la paranoïa.
There's a place between paranoia.
De ça, de nos présidents qui ne supportent pas les critiques.
Our presidents who don't respect criticism.
Et l'infiltration.
And infiltration.
Par des forces extérieures.
By exterior forces.
Au sein de nos populations et de nos nations pour nous déstabiliser.
And at the heart of our organization that we use to stabilize ourselves.
Je prends l'exemple de Sékou Touré, parce que c'est le plus bel exemple.
I take the example of Sékou Touré.
Where are you from, bro?
The most beautiful example.
Caribbean.
Okay. Jamaica?
No. St. Kitts and Nevis.
Okay, St. Kitts, yeah, I know. Only on the map. Only on the map. But I know. That's family too. Who knows Sékou Touré is here?
Yes, sir.
The history, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Je vais vous raconter rapidement, en quelques minutes, l'histoire de Sékou Touré.
I will tell you very quickly in a few minutes the story of Sékou Touré.
Mais d'un point de vue géopolitique.
Well, from a geopolitical point of view.
Sékou Touré était l'un des premiers à comprendre l'escroquerie de la France.
Sékou Touré was one of the first to understand the fraud of France.
Au XXe siècle.
In the 20th century.
Et donc, avant tous les autres pays d'Afrique francophone,
before all the countries, the francophone countries,
il a demandé l'indépendance en 1958.
He asked for the granted independence in 1958.
Alors que les autres l'ont obtenu en 60, voire 61.
While the others got it in 60 and even 61.
Je parle pour les pays d'Afrique francophone.
I speak of the francophone African countries.
Donc le criminel de Gaulle,
the criminal de Gaulle,
s'est dit, cet Africain-là, il faut qu'on fasse très attention à lui.
Told himself, this African, we have to really be careful with him.
Un peu comme Manu Macron fait attention à nous.
A bit like Macron, let's be very careful of him.
No, not me.
Us? No? Of us.
I'm not yet. Et quelle a été la stratégie pour déstabiliser Sékou Touré?
What was the strategy to stabilize Sékou Touré?
Sékou Touré a demandé la fin du franc CFA dès 1958.
Sékou Touré had demanded the end of CFA franc from 1958.
Et De Gaulle a dit, ah bon?
De Gaulle says, aha.
Ok, on va vous infiltrer de la fausse monnaie pour déstabiliser votre économie.
Then we're going to put in false notes to destabilize your economy.
Et donc ils ont connu une inflation historique.
And they lived in historical inflation.
Et dans le même temps, De Gaulle qui a voulu faire payer l'humiliation qu'il a eue contre Sékou Touré,
and De Gaulle, who wanted to make others suffer from the humiliation that he felt from Sékou Touré,
a envoyé des miliciens africains d'autres pays.
He sent some military people, some African mercenaries, thank you, from other countries,
pour tenter d'éliminer Sékou Touré.
to try to eliminate Sékou Touré.
Il a placé à l'intérieur du gouvernement de Sékou Touré des agents africains qui travaillaient pour la France.
He put in the interior of the government of Sékou Touré agents who were working for France.
Certains d'entre eux ont essayé de l'empoisonner.
There are some who tried to poison him.
Et qu'est-ce que cela crée quand vous finissez par voir qu'il y a trop de gens qui veulent vous tuer?
So that's why you see there are too many people who want to kill us.
Vous finissez par peut-être aller du côté de la paranoïa.
Then you can see how you can turn a bit paranoid.
Sékou Touré a fait beaucoup d'erreurs.
Sékou Touré made a lot of errors.
Mais je ne connais pas un dixième ou un millième des Africains qui auraient été capables de tenir comme il l'a fait.
But I don't know even the 1/10 of Africans who can hold out the way that he did.
On doit se rappeler que l'arme suprême de notre ennemi,
We have to remember that the supreme weapon of our enemy
c'est la division. Diviser pour régner.
is to divide and conquer.
Et dans ce temps,
In that time,
Sékou Touré a répondu de manière excessive
the Secretary responded in an excessive manner,
en s'attaquant au final à certains innocents.
and yes, he did attack certain innocents.
Certains innocents sont morts dans les prisons de Sékou Touré.
There were some innocents who died in the prisons of Sékou Touré.
Mais on ne peut pas parler d'une histoire en ne parlant que de la conclusion, on doit parler de l'introduction et du développement.
You can't tell a story by speaking only of the end. You have to speak of the end, the introduction, etc., in the middle as well.
Et donc on en revient toujours, quand on parle du panafricanisme, le panafricanisme qui prône la solidarité nous force à aller au-delà de nos égos personnels.
Pan-Africanism forces us to go outside of our ego.
Quand j'étais en Iran,
When I was in Iran,
j'ai vu des gens qui étaient au XXIe siècle encore influencés par la révolution de Roménie en 1979.
I saw some people in the 21st century still being influenced by the revolution of 1979.
Nous devons insérer dans notre cerveau cette notion de solidarité jusqu'à la folie, jusqu'à l'aveuglement.
We need to put solidarity in our minds and hearts, even if we appear crazy, even if we appear blind, we have to be. That solidarity must be the most important.
Si Sékou Touré est tombé,
If Sékou Touré falls,
entre guillemets, s'il est entre guillemets, s'il a été déstabilisé,
if it was destabilized,
c'est parce que le peuple n'a pas été suffisamment conscientisé.
it's because the people were not sufficiently made conscious.
Et c'est pour ça qu'on dit que la connaissance de soi est vitale.
The knowledge of ourselves is at the base of everything.
Je finis rapidement
I want to finish quickly.
en te disant que ça c'est le cas positif. Maintenant il y a des dictateurs qui ne veulent pas entendre les critiques.
And that is the positive case, but we know that there are dictators who don't want to hear criticism.
Mais nous devons comprendre aussi
We have to understand as well
que certains sont des travailleurs officiels de puissance occidentale supérieure.
we have to understand as well that some of them are working for Western powers.
Il arrive un moment où on doit arrêter de passer notre temps à critiquer aussi des gens dont on sait que le rôle est d'être des marionnettes.
We have to come to a point where we stop criticizing people who we know to be puppets.
Mon problème n'est pas la marionnette, mais le marionnettiste.
My problem isn't the puppet, it's the puppet master.
Et c'est quand on aura coupé le fil entre le marionnettiste et la marionnette
is when you cut the wire between the puppet master and the puppet.
Que nous allons nous occuper de la marionnette.
That's when we'll deal with the
Ma sœur, tu as posé une question très importante par rapport au Congo.
You pose a quite important question about the Congo.
Le poumon de l'Afrique.
The lungs of Africa.
Ce que je sais,
what I know,
c'est que aussi bien les Africains que les Congolais ont une responsabilité.
Aussi bien
l'ensemble des Africains que les Congolais ont une responsabilité.
You know, all Africans as well as Congolese have responsibility.
Une responsabilité parce que on ne peut pas accepter.
It's a responsibility because we cannot accept
que une partie
that one part
de notre pays
of our country
soit le théâtre de viols incessants.
Should be the place or the theater of unceasing rape.
Et d'un génocide quasiment qui se passe au Kivu.
And of a genocide that's happening under our very eyes.
Et quand je vois les chanteurs congolais,
and when I see the Congolese singers,
quand je vois une grande partie aussi de la population congolaise,
when I see a large part of the Congolese population,
à part répéter oh on souffre à l'est, mais qu'est-ce qui est fait concrètement? Il y a très peu qui se battent. Il faut qu'on le dise aussi.
When they're repeating things, but who's fighting?
Très peu. Il y en a qui se battent, mais ils ne sont pas très nombreux. On doit être honnête et se le dire.
But they're not very many. We have to recognize this.
Il y a une erreur qui est faite que de dire que le problème ce n'est que le Rwanda.
It's a problem to say that it's an error to say that the problem is
that the responsible of the situation is
Rwanda.
Rwandan government.
The Rwandan government. It's an error to say that.
We need to be honest tonight.
We need to be honest.
The problem is l'oligarchie de cette région.
It's the oligarchy of that region.
C'est uni pour piller les ressources dans cette région.
Has united itself to pillage, to steal the resources of that region.
Le gouvernement congolais est aussi responsable.
The Congolese government is also responsible.
Et c'est trop facile parce que j'ai entendu des discours que je ne supporte plus non plus.
It's too easy because I'm hearing speeches that I cannot even bear to listen to.
En disant c'est les Tutsis qui sont responsables de ce qui se passe. On doit arrêter de tenir ce genre de langage.
That are saying that it's only the Tutsis who are responsible for this. We have to stop this kind of language.
Yes. Le prolétariat Tutsi souffre comme les autres parties de notre peuple.
The working people, Tutsi people, are suffering just as badly as the rest of the people.
Mais le régime Kagame,
but the regime of Kagame,
c'est pour vous dire que le problème n'est pas un problème de Tutsi contre les autres, c'est un discours que le colon nous a appris, c'est faux.
To tell you that this problem is not a problem of Tutsis against the others. It's a false narrative from the colonizer.
Et c'est un problème de nos dirigeants de manière générale.
It's a problem of our leaders, generally speaking.
Et de la même façon que je critique de la manière la plus violente possible.
In the same way, I criticize in the most violent possible way.
La responsabilité de Kagame au Kivu.
The responsibility of Kagame.
Au Kivu.
Au Kivu.
Kivu. Il faut aussi reconnaître que Kagame, ce qu'il fait dans son pays, aucun dirigeant congolais n'a été capable de le faire depuis très longtemps aussi. On doit le dire. Il faut le dire.
He's doing it in his country, and no Congolese leader has been able to do that in their country.
L'erreur de Kagame, c'est qu'on ne peut pas se dire panafricanisme comme il prétend l'être.
The error of Kagame is that he's not.
On ne peut pas se prétendre panafricaniste comme il prétend l'être.
We can't pretend to be pan-Africanist as he's pretending to be.
Et participer comme un criminel au génocide au Kivu.
And participate as a criminal in the genocide of Kivu.
Et c'est pour ça que quand tout le monde me dit Kagame, je dis non. Kagame est un extraordinaire dirigeant pour une partie des Rwandais.
And when people are claiming Kagame, I say no. Kagame is an extraordinary leader for one part of Rwanda.
Mais il y a une autre partie aussi qui souffre allègrement au Rwanda.
But there's another part of Rwanda who's suffering greatly in Rwanda.
Et tant qu'il participe à ce génocide, comme les autres présidents de la région, je ne pourrais pas le considérer comme un modèle.
as long as he participates in that genocide like those other leaders in that region, I cannot accept him as a model.
Mais je demande aux activistes congolais,
But I ask the Congolese activists,
pas à tous, parce que certains sont très équilibrés.
not at all of them, because we have to be really balanced.
Certains sont très équilibrés.
Some are really balanced. Yeah, well,
Mais je ne supporte plus d'entendre le problème c'est les Tutsis, le problème c'est les Hutus, le problème, il faut arrêter avec ça.
I cannot bear to hear again that the problem is the Tutsis, the problem is the Hutus. We have to stop this.
Nous sommes issus du même peuple.
We are coming from the same people. We are the same people.
Et c'est le colon qui a appris à monter une partie de notre peuple contre l'autre partie du peuple.
It's the colonizer who taught us to raise one part of our people against the other part.
Et donc, là où la sœur a raison, c'est que le reste de l'Afrique devrait se préoccuper de ce qui se passe au Kivu. Ce n'est pas un problème que des Congolais.
Where I strongly agree with the sister is that the rest of Africa should stand up and support Congo. And it's not just a problem for the Congolese.
Mais de la même façon que je dis aux Congolais que quand il y a l'esclavage des Noirs en Mauritanie, lorsque nous faisons les manifestations, très peu d'Africains se sont sentis concernés par cette question.
I say to the Congolese in the same breath that when we have slavery in Mauritania, very few Africans
étaient solidaires. Et le problème de notre peuple, c'est que quand un problème arrive dans une partie, le pays où il y a le problème se préoccupe et les autres ne se préoccupent pas.
One problem we have is that when there's a problem in one country, people in that country are looking out at that problem, but the rest of us are not looking at it, the rest of the countries.
Quand un noir ou une femme noire est en danger, c'est tout notre peuple qui doit être capable de se mobiliser.
When a black person, a black woman is in danger, all of our people need to...
Et de la même façon que lorsqu'il y a eu le génocide au Rwanda, c'est tout notre peuple qui aurait dû aussi se mobiliser.
Genocide in Rwanda, all of our African people should be concerned about that.
Je suis un panafricaniste.
I am a Pan-Africanist.
Et toute partie de notre peuple fait partie de ma famille.
And every part of our people is a part of my family.
Je ne préférerai jamais un à l'autre.
I will never prefer one to the other.
Mon problème, ce sont les dirigeants, pas les populations.
My problem is the leaders, not the population.
Donc arrêtons d'essentialiser les choses.
Let's stop socializing the problem.
Et supportons ceux comme Denis Mukwege et autres qui se battent sur le terrain concrètement pour résoudre ce problème.
And let's support people like Denis Mukwege who are fighting on the ground against the situation.
Et donc, la dernière chose que je te dis à tous mes frères et sœurs du Congo, de la diaspora, la meilleure chose pour contribuer à lutter contre ce problème, c'est de s'investir sur le terrain. Je sais que pendant des années, sous le régime Kabila, c'était extrêmement difficile. Continue.
The thing that I want to say to my Congolese brothers and sisters is to...
So I know I need to speak English, but
is to invest. Yeah, it is to on the ground.
Yeah.
In Congo.
We need to be near from the activists who work every day in Congo directly with the victim of this system of predation. Predation? That's it?
Predation.
Yeah.
Predation,
Okay.
yes.
But the time, je reprends en français.
Okay.
Le temps durant lequel il était impossible de rentrer,
the time when it was impossible to get into Congo,
n'a pas complètement changé parce que Kabila dirige toujours le Congo.
It's not totally gone because Kabila is still in charge in the Congo.
Mais il y a une petite ouverture et je vois de plus en plus de frères et de sœurs qui commencent à rentrer.
But there's a little opening because more and more brothers and sisters are going back.
Et je vous le dis par mon expérience de terrain.
And I'm telling you from my experience of the territory.
Moi, j'ai voulu aller au Congo soutenir les femmes violées en 2012.
I wanted to go into Congo to support the women who were raped in 2012.
Et ceux qui me connaissent savent que j'ai été là-bas, j'ai été arrêté.
I was there, I was arrested.
Bousculé.
I was pushed around.
Et qu'on m'a renvoyé au Sénégal.
And then they sent me back to Senegal.
Mais aujourd'hui,
but today,
Félix Tshisekedi n'est pas un président très sage, à mon avis.
Félix Tshisekedi is not a wise president, from my opinion.
Mais je le connais intimement, personnellement.
But I know him very well.
Et je peux vous dire que c'est quelqu'un qui, à sa façon, aime l'Afrique.
And I can tell you that it's a person who, in his own way, loves Africa.
Et quand il dit qu'il faut que la diaspora rentre, il est sincère.
When he says that the diaspora needs to come home, he is sincere.
Il faut qu'on arrête de passer notre temps à critiquer, qu'on essaye d'agir.
We have to stop criticizing a little bit and begin to act.
Crier Kabila, dégage ou autre ne va pas résoudre le problème du Kivu.
crying Kabila or others who won't problem, who won't solve the problem of Kivu.
Crier mort à Kagame ne va pas résoudre le problème du Kivu.
To cry death to Kagame will not resolve the problem of Kivu.
Il faut que le peuple s'investisse au quotidien pour soutenir la population et c'est ça qui va changer la situation au Kivu.
The people must align themselves with the people who are on the ground every day. That's what we're doing as a solution.
J'arrête ma réponse, je pourrais faire un meeting, mais je vais arrêter là.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to try and get through this bit. As you can tell, the answers are very extensive, yeah? So
I will try to do my best for use my answer.
That's no problem, but they were very enlightening as much as they were extensive. I was going to call the name of Patrice Lumumba, as he mentioned, Congo. Yeah. And also a man by the name of Pierre Molele, who is very important. And his wife, Leonie Abo Molele, is still alive, yeah? But he was one of the leaders in a thing called the Simba Rebellion. After Patrice Lumumba was assassinated, took that name over half the Congo, from these colonizers and neo-colonizers, kings and queens. Very important that we know these names and pour libations to these ancestors.
Greetings all. My name is Zank Ezim. I'm from Equatorial Guinea, Guinea Equatorial. For me, really, you spoke something that is very, you know Equatorial Guinea quite well, at least from you met some of my colleagues. I will say these three names, so Obiang, Bongo, Biya. Yes? Long-lasting dictators in Central Africa. You're talking about the CEPA. The CEPA is just the economic control, in a sense. I can get rid of, we the people can try to get rid of Obiang, Bongo, and Biya, but the structures, economic, social, cultural, political, they remain there. So my question to you, and maybe it's not an easy question, it's about how your organization or other organizations in this room can help us, and when I say us, I mean all Africans, yes, but especially those that we are living in a dictatorship and finding it very difficult to make any minimal change in our societies, how your organization or other organizations in this room can change not just the heads, the puppets, and I think that puppets is not a good name because the puppet doesn't have a conscience, but these leaders, they have made the conscious decision to oppress their people. So how can we change those structures? So sorry if I drifted, but how can we change the structures? What plan does your organization have? And I locked off everything. So that I want to hear, is there a strategy to end with these structures? Economic, social, political, and cultural.
Thank you, Brother Obi.
Quickly, very quickly. Je pense qu'on ne peut combattre ce système.
I think we can fight the system.
En le combattant étape par étape.
Step by step.
Il y a trop d'urgence dans ce combat politique.
There's too much urgency in this political combat.
Si on fait tout en même temps, on ne résoudra rien.
If we do everything at the same time, we won't really succeed at anything.
Les présidents que tu as cités sont des piliers du système colonial.
These presidents that you name are the pillars of the colonial system.
Pour les déstabiliser,
to destabilize them,
nous devons déstabiliser le système qui a favorisé leur émergence.
We have to destabilize the system that has favorized their rise.
Et lorsque l'on favorise la déstabilisation de leur système,
when we favorize the destabilization of their system,
ils deviennent fragilisés rapidement.
They become fragile, they become vulnerable immediately.
Les présidents africains m'ont plus persécuté que la France.
The presidents of Africa has persecuted me a lot more than France.
Je n'ai jamais été interdit de rentrer en France.
I've never been stopped from going into France.
Mais quand je vais dans certains pays africains, les présidents africains m'expulsent.
But when I go into certain African countries, they kick me out.
Même quand je suis plus populaire que les propres présidents en tant que tels.
Even when I'm more popular than those very presidents.
Donc, quand ils réagissent comme ça, c'est parce que quand on s'attaque au système, ils se sentent en danger.
They react that way because once we're attacking their system, they feel themselves in danger.
Quand vous sortez un poisson de l'eau,
when you take a fish out of water,
c'est compliqué pour lui de respirer longtemps.
It's hard for them to breathe for a long time.
Le poisson a un petit cerveau.
The fish has a little brain,
comme nos présidents africains.
like our African presidents.
Et l'eau de ces poissons,
And the water of these fish
c'est le système colonial occidental.
is the Western colonial system.
Et donc il faut qu'on vide l'eau
We have to empty the water
pour tuer les poissons.
to kill the fish.
All right, family. This gentleman here, and I'm gonna give an elder's dispensation to Mama Lindy way. When she raised that, and she must talk straight away. No apology for that, right? So after the gentleman, Mama Lindy will be next, and then everybody comes after that. So go ahead, sir. Oh, let me get you the mic.
Good evening. I want to say thank you for being here. I'm so thrilled to be on here. Inspirational for my personal growth, and my question, and obviously there's many like you. I could sit here and cite them all night long, but one of the difficulties that I'm finding is because there's so many of you, revolutionaries and Pan-Africanists. It's hard to find the time to really follow the teachings or even listen out to the words that each one of you are saying. So my question would be, is there an organization, a kind of like a mother company that you guys can maybe found, and so that you can all speak with one voice, because obviously Pan-Africanism is about one Africa, one voice. But you guys, there's so many of you, I was wondering whether there's something in the works where we can go to just one source to get all the information that we need. Yeah.
I understand. I answer quickly. Je pense au contraire.
I believe, on the contrary.
Bon, déjà, je te remercie, mon frère.
First of all, let me thank you for your question.
Where are you from? Yeah, that's ancient Kemet, Djibouti. Kush, Kemet, everything. No, Kush, I don't remember, but that's something like that.
C'est pas loin.
Et au contraire, je pense que nous ne sommes pas suffisamment nombreux en première ligne.
On the contrary, I don't think we are that many. Yeah.
J'aurais voulu que nous soyons beaucoup plus nombreux.
I would wish that we would be far more numerous.
Nous sommes très nombreux au sein des grassroots.
We're very okay. There are many of us in the grassroots.
Mais au sein de la scène internationale, nous ne sommes pas assez nombreux.
On the international scene, we're not very many.
Mais je vais te répondre quand même.
But I will answer you nonetheless.
Je pense qu'il faut prendre
I think you have to take
chez tous ceux qui se battent et qui risquent leur vie pour leur peuple.
From all of those who are fighting and risking their lives for their people.
Des enseignements qui te permettront de t'enrichir toi.
Those pieces of information which will allow you, those teachings which allow you to your own personal growth.
Le combat de Molefi Asante est spirituel.
The fight of Molefi Asante is spiritual.
Le combat de Kemi Seba est beaucoup plus politique.
The fight of Kemi Seba is more political.
Mais il y a des liens entre ces différentes façons de lutter.
But there are links between these two ways of fighting.
Quand tu vas dans un hôpital, il y a différents services.
When you go to hospital, there are different services.
Il y a les urgences panafricaines.
There's Pan-African emergency.
Il y a les urgences psychiatriques.
There's psychiatric emergency.
Il y a après le département qui lutte contre le cancer.
There's the department that deals with cancer.
Et toutes ces sections
In all these sections
permettent de constituer un hôpital.
Allow us to have a hospital.
S'il n'y avait qu'un secteur, certains mourraient.
If there were only one sector, some people would die.
Donc nous ne devons jamais penser quand nous menons un combat que nous sommes les seuls à détenir la façon de lutter.
When we're fighting, we should never think that we're the only ones who know the way to fight.
Et je pense que cette génération doit remercier les ancêtres.
I think this generation needs to thank the ancestors.
Qui est mon frère psychologue Omar Johnson.
There's my psychologist brother Omar Johnson.
Qu'il y ait mon frère en Afrique du Sud, Julius Malema.
There's my brother in South Africa, Julius Malema.
Qui est ma sœur Ndeye Nogai Babenso.
There's my sister Nogai Babenso. Nogai Babenso.
Et beaucoup d'autres.
And many others.
Chacun d'entre eux ont un enseignement à donner.
Each of them has a teaching to give.
Et tant qu'on ne se bat pas les uns les autres,
And as long as we're not fighting against each other,
vous devez vous imprégner de chacun parce que chacun a une part de vérité.
you need to listen to each of us because each of us has something important to say.
Et il n'y en aura jamais trop.
And there'll never be too many.
Voilà.
Thank you.
Autre question, merci.
All right, kings and queens. We've got Mama Lindiwe and we've got 2 more.
First and foremost, I want to thank the organizers of this do because it's been really pleasant to find younger people doing the things that we say need to be done and don't get done because we don't have money. But I want to quickly answer this young man here that there is no organization because we have no money, but there are small organizations all over the place. I am here today because of Brother Mario. And I think it was last night that he told me about this thing here this morning. So you have to have feelers all over the place. And there's Brother Benny there. And there's another old man out there, old man. But we work and we get to know each other. When somebody's doing something, you get to go there and give a hand by whichever means. But I really stood up to say, at the base of it all, the fact of the fight in this world is for minerals. Yeah? And these minerals are to the West, that's the capitalists and the communists. All the fighting that we have in Africa, tribalism, whatever, are funded by these two.
Yeah, of course.
If Russia is on your side, you get funded by Russia and their line you have to toe. If you are funded by the West, which is headed by America, you have to toe their line. Now, in a line that I know because it affected me personally, the apartheid struggle, yeah? The West, England, everybody, they knew we were having hell. They did nothing about it. Until the day Russia funded the ANC, only then did they stand up to say there's apartheid in South Africa, yeah? And then they funded the PAC.
China funded the PAC.
Yeah? And they done the same thing in Zimbabwe, but they were, in Zimbabwe they were, I don't know. In Zimbabwe they had it easy because of the tribalism. The Shonas one side and the Zulus one side. But I want, Ndebele, yes. Well, Ndebeles are Zulus.
Yes, true.
But I want just to say that whoever is appointed by the people who want the minerals out of Africa, those people are chosen and they're given very good press. You saw what they did with Mandela, didn't you? Huh? Mandela gave them everything. And what's happened now after he's died? Rubbish. Absolute rubbish in South Africa. I mean, Nigerians helped us so much during the struggle, and now we are killing Nigerians because the white people don't want Nigerians. They're scared of Nigerians. So they say any rotten thing about Nigerians. But our people don't know, because all the time they're just fighting for something to grab from the ground and to eat. But the whole battle in Africa is for minerals. And they will kill us all, irrespective, as the speaker said. One person gets hit, all of you are hit. I tell you, if you look at the press and how it responds to the people who are in charge, the Mongols up at the you saw what they've done with Corbyn, didn't you?
Yes.
Because he's talking for the grassroots, irrespective of color. You saw that, didn't you? You were reading the press. Anything rotten about Corbyn was in the press, and anything good about the liar who's now in number 10. Yeah? Because he's going to make things for them to make more money. But as a black person, we must know that they are killing us. They want to kill us. They succeeded with AIDS. There are families' names that are wiped off in Africa because of AIDS. And what did America say? America said, we are sleeping, we are having sex with monkeys. Now, okay, supposing that was true, we were having sex with monkeys. Where were these monkeys all these centuries? Where were they? I tell you, if we're having sex with monkeys, where were these monkeys? The great monkeys that we are supposed to be having sex with. So these people will say anything and do anything. And this, I want to say thank you to this young man. I forgot your name already.
Kenny.
I hope that you remember what I said today.
No. Everything you said today, we endorse. Yeah, we really endorse. And for me, this young man grows under my arm.
True.
His father has been very, very active. Very, very active. I think I got to know him when he was about 7 or 8. And it's a shame that we don't get them as good as this, because you can see in here is older people. But this age group, his father, gave up everything to set up an organization. That answers your question. Organizations are here, there, everywhere. If it was not for the organization, every Friday at Brixton, number 336, every Friday we have a Pan-Africanist movement there, and that's where Brother Mario announced this thing today. If not for his contact, I wouldn't be here. And I am so pleased that it's been organized, and I'm very proud to see the house full, because it means the spirit is still there. Thank you.
All right. Please approve. Mama Lindy got elders, kind of what's the word? Elders discretion, yeah? So I'm not gonna ask nobody else to take that long. Go ahead, sister.
Thank you so much for coming to speak to us. So I have a couple of questions. So a lot of people, there's the argument that we need capital for a lot of these African countries to grow. So you said we need to be economically independent. That's something, but we need money. And right now it's coming from China, the West, wherever, but we need that money to grow. And a lot of it is coming from investors from the outside. So how do we respond to the argument that for the moment, right, we need the CFA to kind of be there because it's pegged to the euro, it has some kind of stability. So is there any, what can we say against that? That's my first question.
Sorry. Please make it one more, sister. Yeah.
Okay, and my second question is, does your organization have a plan for maybe when we once we get rid of because now the plan is to get rid of the CFA, but what's the plan once, or how can that be done in a way that won't be destabilizing?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I will need you now. Parce que je vais parler de manière très concrète.
I'm going to speak in very concrete terms.
La réponse à la problématique économique,
the answer to the economic problem,
on l'a compris depuis très longtemps, puisqu'on ne peut pas combattre un système sans avoir les moyens pour le combattre.
We understood it a long time ago, because we can't fight a system without having the means.
J'ai commencé ce combat en 1999.
I started this fight in 1999.
Et on a commencé à être médiatisé à partir de 2005.
And we were in the media as of 2005.
En Europe, en France.
In Europe, in France.
Et en Afrique à partir de 2011-2012.
In Africa as of 2011-2012.
Lorsque mon combat était connu, beaucoup de footballeurs
Once my fight was known, a lot of footballers
de basketteurs
of basketballers
ou de rappeurs noirs en
and
France
black rappers in France
ont commencé à dire qu'ils me soutenaient.
began to say that they support me.
Et je vous ai dit au départ de ce meeting
And I told you at the start of this meeting,
que quand quelqu'un vous dit qu'il vous aime, il faut qu'il vous le prouve.
when someone tells you they love you, then they have to prove it.
Parce que si vous dites à une femme je t'aime mais tu fais rien pour elle,
And if you tell a woman you love her but you don't do anything
c'est
for
que
her,
tu ne l'aimes pas.
then you don't love her.
Et donc chaque fois qu'une personnalité disait je t'aime, je te soutiens Kémy, je disais prouve-le-moi.
Each time a personality would say we love you, we support you, Kemi.
Et au bout
I
de...
told them, prove it.
Quand vous connaissez la Corse, la région la Corse en France, Corsica,
You know Corsica in France.
les indépendantistes
The independence people,
font payer un impôt révolutionnaire aux familles riches de Corse.
they had the rich Corsican families pay a revolutionary tax.
On dit que notre peuple n'a pas d'argent, c'est des mensonges.
We say that our people have no money. That is a lie.
Beaucoup d'entre nous ont de l'argent.
Many of us have money.
Mais on dépense à l'extérieur de notre communauté au lieu de dépenser à l'intérieur de notre communauté.
Outside our community instead of inside our community.
Or, toutes les populations qui régissent priorisent le commerce à l'intérieur de leur communauté.
And all of the populations that actually are thriving, they're spending. They prioritize the interior.
Vous avez vu beaucoup de Chinois venir manger dans les restaurants sénégalais?
There's a lot of Chinese come and eat in Senegalese restaurants?
Jamais. Vous avez déjà vu beaucoup de Japonais manger chez les Sénégalais?
You see a lot of Japanese come and eat in Senegalese restaurants?
Mais dans les restaurants chinois ou japonais,
Yeah, and in Chinese restaurants, we can't get there fast enough.
Si c'est une fois de temps en temps, c'est pas grave.
If it's once in a while, there's no problem.
Mais si on passe notre temps à manger chez les autres au lieu de manger dans nos commerces, rien ne peut aller.
And if we spend our time though, eating in other people's businesses, never in our businesses, what do you expect?
Et donc pendant 3 ans, 4 ans, nous avons économisé par rapport aux dons que les footballeurs me faisaient.
And so for 3 or 4 years, we've existed through the contributions of these footballers.
Si j'étais comme ces présidents africains,
if I were like these African presidents,
avec l'argent que j'ai eu,
with the money that I had,
je me serais acheté une petite Ferrari.
I would have bought a little Ferrari.
Et j'aurais frimé devant les gens.
I would just drive it around, show it off to people.
Mais ces bêtises-là ne nous intéressent pas.
But these types of ridiculous things don't interest us.
Avec cet argent, nous avons construit brique par brique.
With this money, we have built brick by brick
le premier centre commercial panafricain qui ne vend que des produits 100% africains au Bénin.
The first commercial center in Africa that sells only African products.
Repeat that, please.
The first African commercial center that sells only
in French-speaking African country.
And in French-speaking African countries that sells only African products.
C'est un grand complexe.
It is a large complex.
Il y a 3 commerces.
There are
3 commerces.
3 businesses.
Un restaurant 100% africain.
A restaurant that's 100% African.
Un supermarché que des produits africains ou afro-caribéens.
A supermarket that sells only African and Afro-Caribbean products.
Aucun produit français, anglais, allemand, américain ou je ne sais quoi.
No French products, no German, no English at all.
Même les tables et les fourchettes ne sont pas d'Occident, elles viennent de chez nous.
Even the tables or the forks don't come from Europe, they come from us.
Et tous les vêtements que nous faisons sont construits dans la boutique de vêtements du centre panafricain.
And all the clothing we sell are fabricated in the clothing manufacturing of the center.
Et à chaque fois qu'un blanc vient, parce qu'il y a beaucoup de touristes blancs qui viennent, touristes ou espions, je ne sais pas.
And each time a white person comes, and there are a lot of white people come, whether they're tourists or spies, we don't know.
Ils disent, mais il n'y a que des produits africains.
They say, but it's only African products.
On leur dit, Donald Trump a dit, Make America Great Again. We say, Make Africa Great Again too. Et ce que nous allons faire,
what we're going to do.
Je suis en train de continuer à racketter des amis footballeurs.
And I keep racketeering my footballer friends.
Now when they see my call, they don't want to answer. Because I know that I don't want to go outside in the comment on dit les boîtes de nuit?
I don't want to go into the nightclub.
Ah, you know the club, you. Yeah. You know very well, Harry. Je ne suis pas là pour aller en boîte de nuit avec eux.
I'm not there to go to nightclubs with them.
Ils me disent, viens, je te paye des vacances, on va en vacances ensemble. Je dis, les vacances ne m'intéressent pas.
They say, come with me, I will pay for a vacation for you. I say, vacation don't interest me.
Au lieu d'entretenir ta blonde, donne de l'argent pour les centres panafricains.
Instead of keeping up your blonde, give some money for African people.
Except if your blonde is Rihanna, of course.
If your blonde is Rihanna, exactly.
Ah, you're right. No problem. Et plus sérieusement,
but more seriously,
ce centre panaf est déjà une réponse à ceux qui pensent que le panafricanisme, ce ne sont que des mots.
That's Pan-African Center already has a response for those who think that Pan-Africanism is only a word.
J'emploie 14 personnes.
We're giving job to 14 people.
Chaque mois, je les paye.
Every month we pay them.
Et je suis fier de ça.
And I'm proud of that.
That's where I go now. But you need to listen. Notre but, c'est que nous puissions créer des centres panaf dans tous les pays d'Afrique dans les prochaines années.
Our goal is to create Pan-African centers in all African countries in coming years.
Mais les pyramides ne se construisent pas en un jour.
But the pyramids don't get built in one day.
Les choses se font étape par étape.
Things happen step by step.
Et donc il faut déjà rendre fort la première structure que vous lancez avant de lancer la deuxième.
And you have to make strong the first structure that you build before you build others.
Et quand je vous parle de ça, c'est pas pour vous dire simplement venez consommer chez moi.
When I say that to you, I'm not saying just come in and be a consumer, at our complex.
Je vous donne l'idée.
I'm giving you the idea.
Arrêtons de croire que notre communauté est pauvre.
Arrêtons de stop believing that our community is poor.
Ciblons les personnes ressources qui ont les moyens et soumettons-leur des projets.
Let us target the people who have concrete ideas and concrete plans and
donnons-leur les projets.
And give them the projects.
Target the people
who have the means, excuse me, thank you.
And give them ideas,
To subside. Yeah?
To subside.
Target
the people who have the means and submit your ideas to bring them to life.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
Je sais que c'est long, mais je dois continuer à répondre à sa question, parce qu'elle a posé une question qui était longue mais importante.
I know it's long, but I have to continue to answer that question, because that question is very important.
Certains économistes hypocrites disent,
certain hypocritical economists
disent que de risquer de quitter cette stabilité pour connaître une situation qui pourrait être pire.
And then to leave that stability and risk going to a situation that's worse.
Vous savez à quoi ça me fait penser?
You know what that makes me think of?
Durant l'esclavage.
During slavery.
Quand un nègre marron.
When a maroon
voulait quitter la plantation.
Wanted to leave the plantation.
Ou brûler la plantation.
Ou burn the plantation.
Il y avait toujours un de ses frères ou une de ses sœurs qui disait à l'homme rebelle ou à la femme rebelle, mais si on quitte la plantation, est-ce qu'on est sûr qu'on va avoir à manger en dehors de la plantation?
There was always someone to say to the maroon, but what if we leave the plantation? What will we get to eat when we leave the plantation?
On préfère la stabilité dans l'esclavage.
We prefer stability and slavery.
Que la liberté dans le risque d'être encore plus pauvre que sur la plantation.
To liberty with the risk that we will be poorer.
Eh bien, nous disons pourquoi les autres pays ont le droit de maîtriser leur économie.
We ask ourselves, why do all other countries have the right to be masters of their economy?
Et les Africains n'ont pas le droit de le faire.
And we don't have the right to do it.
Nous sommes des sous-hommes.
Are we subhuman?
On nous dit que ça donne une stabilité.
And they say that it's a stability.
Le Nigeria est le pays le plus riche d'Afrique. Vrai ou faux?
And I see Nigeria, the richest country of Africa.
Est-ce qu'ils utilisent le franc CFA?
Do they use CFA franc?
Alors pourquoi voulez-vous nous imposer? Quand je dis voulez-vous, je ne parle pas de toi, ma sœur, mais je parle de la France.
And why do they want to impose this on us? And I don't mean you, my sister, I speak of France.
Alors que la France elle-même n'utilise pas le yen.
Yet France isn't using the yen.
Elle n'utilise pas le dollar.
It's not using the dollar.
Donc pourquoi voulez-vous nous forcer, nous, à utiliser un procédé que personne n'utilise sur cette terre?
Friends force us to use something that nobody else is using.
Même si nous devons être pauvres demain, nous préférons être pauvres libres.
Even if we have to be poor tomorrow, we prefer to be poor and free.
Et je parle, moi, en tant que chef d'entreprise.
And I speak for myself as a chief of enterprise, as a business owner.
Je ne veux plus jamais du franc CFA.
I will never use the CFA franc.
Partout où je vais dans le monde, quand j'essaye de changer le franc CFA,
wherever I go in the world, when I try to change the French CFA,
les gens croient que c'est un billet de Monopoly.
They believe it's a monopoly piece of paper.
Il n'y a pas d'échange pour cette monnaie tellement on ne nous respecte
There's no
pas.
exchange for it so much that the world doesn't respect it.
Quittons ça.
Let's leave it.
Oh,
let's leave it.
Thank you very much, my sister.
All right, bring the queen. Quickly.
Hi. Yeah, thank you again for coming here, and it's my great pleasure to meet you. I've been following you since the Tribeca.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Where are you from, bro?
From the Ivory Coast, actually.
Okay.
So my question will be a follow-up of a question on the CFA, but I will quickly brush up to say that countries like Korea or Japan industrialize without foreign capital investment. So it's possible if the state wants to encourage their own industry to industrialize, but I hope no one is filming. I will just say now something is, now I agree with you that we should leave the CFA. It will make our economy more competitive. But we have a very big problem now that maybe you have not seen. I would like to ask you if you have thought of it. It's the two main countries of the CFA in West Africa, that are Ivory Coast and Senegal, are now borrowing a lot of money. So we are now going to a trap. As if we leave in the CFA, our currency will decrease, and then we'll have a huge debt. That's a very, very big trap that we are. Ouattara and Salah are guiding us.
I understand why you don't want that it's failed or it could be failed.
I
understand.
I want to go back to my country.
Yeah.
So,
I understand you.
Yes, so what do you think of that? I'm very desperate because I can see that it can be happening, but the debt will be the next trick.
That's for this reason that we need to understand that CFA franc is not finality.
It's not the final thing.
Ce n'est pas une finalité.
It's not a finality.
Le franc CFA n'est pas une finalité et doit être pris dans un contexte plus global.
It must be taken in a global context.
Et ça me permet de rebondir sur une autre partie de la longue question de la sœur pour te répondre.
That leads me to respond to another part of the sister's question.
Est-ce qu'il y a des solutions pour l'après CFA?
Is there some solutions for after the CFA?
C'était la question de la sœur.
That was the question of the sister.
Mais depuis les années 80, M. Tchouchang Pwemi,
but since in the 1980s, Mr. Tchouchang Pwemi,
économiste camerounais, avait déjà résumé le problème.
Cameroonese economist had already resolved the problem.
Ces dernières années, un grand homme, que je vais vous demander d'applaudir, quels que soient les désaccords que vous pouvez avoir avec lui, Muammar al-Kadhafi avait trouvé une monnaie alternative.
A great man, Muammar Gaddafi, had found the solution.
Il a été tué.
He was killed.
Parce que les autorités américaines et françaises,
because the authorities, the American and French authorities,
ne voulaient pas qu'il puisse créer le dinar or, une monnaie basée sur nos ressources en tant que telle.
We did not want him to create the gold dinar, a currency based on our resources.
Il ne voulait pas qu'on s'appuie sur cette monnaie pour aller de l'avant dans une nouvelle voie économique.
They did not want us to lean on this currency to go forward.
Et pourquoi vous deux, je vous parle de Kadhafi?
And why am I speaking to the two of you about Gaddafi?
Parce que quand on pose la question de savoir, mais est-ce qu'on a une solution pour l'après, Kadhafi a été tué parce qu'il avait déjà trouvé la solution.
Because when we ask, is there a solution for after the CFA, Gaddafi had found the solution for after.
Et c'est un problème central dans notre peuple.
It's a central problem for our people.
Je le dis avec amour, je ne parle pas de vous, mais de manière générale.
I say it with love, and not seeking to say it just to you specifically. I say it in general.
On aime poser des problèmes qui sont déjà résolus.
We like to pose questions that have already been answered, to pose problems that have already been resolved.
Le combat ne peut pas être que uniquement on veut la fin du CFA. C'est des bêtises.
the fight could never have been, we want the end to the CFA. That would be silly.
Si on veut juste la fin du CFA, mais qu'on ne réforme pas le système, qu'on ne récupère pas nos ressources, on sera perdant, évidemment.
See, if we simply get rid of the CFA and we don't reform our system, we don't get back our resources,
on sera perdant.
We'll be lost.
Et c'est pour ça que vous nous voyez faire la tournée des pays du Sahel aujourd'hui.
That's why we make the round of the countries of the Sahel.
Aujourd'hui, c'est ça.
Today.
Parce que, en chassant la présence française,
while we are chasing away the French presence,
et en récupérant nos ressources,
and taking away taking back our resources,
nous pourrons, nous inspirant de ce que disait Kadhafi, de ce que dit Nicolas Gbagbo et d'autres,
we'll be living what Gaddafi and Nicolas Gbagbo and others have said.
Rebâtir un système qui sera bâti en priorité sur nos ressources.
Rebuild a system that will be built priority on our resources.
Et c'est pour ça que ceux qui pensent que notre combat se limite aux francs CFA n'ont pas compris notre combat politique.
That's why those who think that our fight is based on the CFA franc don't understand our political fight.
C'est un combat global.
It is a global fight.
Et c'est pour ça que pendant que nous sommes en train de mener le combat contre le CFA,
that's why while we are fighting against the CFA franc,
nous sommes menant un combat stratégique contre les bases militaires françaises.
Also fighting against the military bases, the French military bases.
Parce que les bases militaires françaises ne sont pas là pour sécuriser nos pays.
Because these bases are not there to secure the country.
Elles sont là pour faciliter l'accès aux ressources pour la France.
They are there to facilitate access to our resources for France.
Et donc c'est un combat, une guerre entre le peuple et l'armée française pour le contrôle de nos ressources.
It is a fight, it is a war between our people and the French army for the control of our resources.
Et c'est pour ça que de nombreux pays aussi m'interdisent de rentrer.
Et c'est comme ça que de nombreux pays.
That's for this reason that some African country, forbid me to enter because they know that we have a big following in this country and they don't want that we could be able to organize grassroots mobilization against the French colonialism. You understand? Thank you.
Brothers and sisters, please get the mic. Brothers and sisters, I'm going to ask you to stand we're going to close in a oneness here. We're going to close in a oneness, and we're going to do a vote of thanks. I want you to please give a hand to all of the organizations who have organized this event today, starting with Ghana's Fresh, the Center of Pan-African Thought, NSA Events, Afrocentricity International, Gokkush TV, and of course, Agence Pan-Africaniste.
Pan-African Emergency.
Pan-African Emergency, right? I want to say that the event is being officially recorded by Gokkush TV, and the footage, the video from the speech and everything will be out this week, yeah? So please, take out your phone right now. The brother asked a question about how we kind of galvanize our energies into one kind of space. In 2019, one of the ways that we're going to do that is by mastering the media. Yes, Marcus Garvey mastered the media of his time, so we're trying to master the media of our time. And we're going to put voices like Kemi Seba on, we're going to put voices like Julius Malema on. Our sister in Kenya, Dr. Mumbi has been on the panel. TNO, when he comes here, he will be on Gokkush TV. So we're going to make sure that Gokkush TV is on the post of the Pan-African World Community. So subscribe to Gokkush TV. I'm going to ask you to put your left hand on your heart and your right hand in the air, so that we can close in some solidarity and some oneness with a few affirmations. So, how do you say put your left hand on your heart and your right hand in the air in French? I don't know. Just translate, innit? Yeah, translate, alright? Alright, please repeat after me. I am because we are.
I am because we are.
And since we are, therefore I am.
And since we are, therefore I am.
I have life because we exist.
I have life because we exist.
I am strong because we have power.
I am strong because we have power.
I am committed because we.
I am committed because we have discipline.
I am ready because we have work to do.
I am ready because we have work to do.
And again, I am ready because we have work to do.
I am ready because we have work to do.
I am ready because we have work to do.
I am ready because we
agenda. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Give yourself a big
It's coming. January 1st, 2020. Got Kush TV.